Hello and welcome to the maths class. This is teacher Swati and we are learning fractions. In our previous video, we learned about equivalent fractions, decimals and percentage. In this video, you are going to learn about ordering fractions. So let's get started. Now, methods of ordering fractions. To write fractions in order of size, you need to compare the fractions. One way to do this is to write all the fractions as equivalent fractions with the same denominator. This denominator is known as common denominator. And the method is known as equivalent fractions method. Another way is to use division and write each fraction as decimal number. You may need to write these numbers to 1, 2, 3 or more decimal places to put them in order. This method is known as by division method. Now, how these methods are we going to use to write the fractions in order? Let us see. There is an example given in front of you. Write these fractions in order of size, smallest first. 2 by 3, 8 by 15, 3 by 15. Now here, look at the fractions. They have the denominator 3, 15, 5. The biggest is 15. We can convert 3 to 15. We can even convert 5 to 15. So we will take 15 as our common denominator and we are going to work with the other two fractions 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 so that we can make it the denominator as 15 also. Now the fraction 2 by 3. We have to make the denominator as 15. 3 multiplied by 5 gives us 15. When we are multiplying the denominator by 5, we have to do the same for the numerator also. And when we are multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 5, we are getting the answer as 10 by 15. Next, we will use the next fraction, that is 3 by 5. Here in 3 by 5, you can convert this denominator 5 to 15 by multiplying it by 3. Again, if you are multiplying the denominator by 3, you have to do the same for the numerator also. And when you are doing so, you get the answer as 9 by 15. Now we have all the three fractions with the common denominator 15. When you have the common denominator, you just have to look at the numerators and arrange the fractions. Which is the smallest numerator? 8 by 15. Yes, so first we will take 8 by 15, then 9 by 15, then 10 by 15. So order is 8 by 15, 9 by 15, 10 by 15. You can keep this as your final answer or else you can write it in its previous form also. 8 by 15 was the fraction kept untouched, so you can write it as it is. 9 by 15 was derived from 3 by 5, so you can put it 3 by 5. And 10 by 15 was derived from the fraction 2 by 3. So in place of 10 by 15, you can put as 2 by 3. The answer is highlighted in blue. Here again we have an example in front of us. Write these fractions in order of size smallest first. 8 by 11, 7 by 8, 4 by 5. Now we are going to use another method, that was by division. Whatever fraction we are having, we are going to divide it and you are going to get the decimals and then we are going to compare the decimals. Whichever is smallest, we will put it first and the largest at the last. So 8 by 11, 8 divided by 11. When you divide 8 by 11, you get the answer as 0.72. For this first fraction, I am giving you the way of dividing. You are well versed with it, but still my rough work I am showing you. In the same way you are going to do for 7 by 8 and 4 by 5 also. 7 by 8 when you divide, you get it as 0.87. And when you are dividing 4 by 5, you are getting the answer as 0.8. So you have all the three decimals in front of you. It is very easy to order the decimals. All are in zeros, 0 points. So the 10th place you are going to observe the first number has 7, then the second number 8 and the third number again 8. So 7 is the smallest one. So we'll take 0.72 as the smallest. Now among 0.87 and 0.8, which one is smaller? Yes, it is 0.8. The other one, 0.87, is bigger than 0.8. So we can order it as follows: 0.72, 0.8, 0.87. You can keep the answer as it is, or else you can make it into its previous form. That is 8 by 11, 4 by 5 and 7 by 8. These were the two methods of ordering fractions. Here some practice questions are given for you. Please do solve it. Use equivalent fractions to write this fraction in orders of size smallest first. 11 by 12, 5 by 6, 3 by 4. Use division to write their fractions in order of size smallest first. 1 by 3, 3 by 10, 4 by 11. Thank you.